Hey kids, welcome to Facts for Kids. Today's fun facts are gonna be about flying. Flight! Yep, you ready? Oh, I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Alright, here we go. Fact number 1. Hot air balloons stay in the air because the balloon is filled with hot air. And that hot air is actually lighter than the cold air surrounding the balloon. So the balloon goes up. Whoa, hot air is lighter than cold air? That's nuts. Wow. All right, ready for fact number 2? The world's biggest kite was as wide as a football field. Whoa, that is one big kite. Jeez, that's crazy. All right, ready? Fact number 3. All of these animals have flown into space. Ready? Dogs, monkeys, mice, chimpanzees, and a guinea pig. Whoa, I want to fly into space. Take the guinea pig out of the space shuttle and put me in it. All right, ready? Fact number 4. Do you know how many people have actually flown in a space shuttle and gone to space? The answer is 355. Whoa, 355 people have gone to space? That's crazy. Wow, that's a lot of people. All right, ready? Fact number 5. Before building the very first airplane, the Wright brothers had a business building bicycles. Bicycles? What? How do you go from bicycles to building airplanes? Wow. I guess they used all their knowledge from building bicycles to invent the airplane. That's pretty smart thinking. Yup, it is. Ready? Here comes fact number 6. The snipe, which is a small bird, can fly for 96 hours straight. What? Jeez, I can't even walk for 96 hours. Never mind fly. The snipe must be super fit. It must go to the gym a lot. Wow, that's nuts. All right, ready? Here comes fact number 7. Do you know what it's called if you have an extreme fear of flying in an airplane? It's called aerophobia. Wow. Do you have aerophobia? I don't. I love flying in airplanes. It's the best. That's crazy. I'm glad I don't have aerophobia, and I hope you don't have it either. All right, kids, that has been 7 fun facts about flying. I love to fly, but only in airplanes. If only I had wings. All right, kids, that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye! Hey kids, welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're gonna be learning about trees. Trees, they're everywhere. I've always wanted to know more about trees. Ready? Here we go. Facts for Kids. Fact number 1. Trees are the longest living things on Earth. They never die of old age. Whoa, never die of old age. That's crazy. Fact number 2. Trees drink over 100 gallons of water each year. Whoa, trees must be really thirsty. Ready? Fact number 3. The roots of a tree usually grow underground, helping to keep it stable and providing it with water and important nutrients. Wow. So that means when you see a tree, it's like there's a whole nother tree underground. 'Cause there's so many roots. Crazy. Crazy. Ready? Here it comes. Fact number 4. Water and nutrients travel up the tree trunk, through the branches, and all the way out to the leaves. That's like the tree's circulatory system. Neato! That means that the roots absorb all the water and then distribute it all the way throughout the tree, all the way through the branches and the leaves. Neato. Ready? Here it comes. Fact number 5. The largest tree in the world is the giant sequoia. It's also called the giant redwood. They grow to be almost 300 feet tall. Whoa, that is huge. Huge. Huge, 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 huge. Wow, neato. Here it comes. Fact number 6. There are approximately 100,000 known species of trees all over the world. And there may be thousands of more we don't even know about because they're in the middle of the rainforest and we've never discovered them. Wow, that is a lot of different species of trees. Crazy. Ready? Here it comes. The last fact about trees. Fact number 7. Trees provide people with food in the form of fruits and nuts. But did you also know that they provide wood for fires to keep you warm, tools to fix things, and building homes to shelter you? So that means that trees provide food, warmth, tools, and even shelter. Wow, trees are awesome! They're like the coolest things ever. Neato. Alright kids, that has been today's Facts for Kids. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Have an awesome day. See ya. Bye. See ya. Bye. Hey kids, welcome back to Facts for Kids. This is a special Halloween edition, all about pumpkins. Ready? Here it comes. Fact number 1. The largest pumpkin ever grown weighed 1,140 pounds. That is a huge pumpkin. Wow. Seriously, that's a big pumpkin. Alright, ready? Here it comes. Fact number 2. Pumpkins are 90% water. Whoa, that's almost like humans. 90% water. Wow, crazy. Ready? Fact number 3. A long time ago, pumpkins were recommended for removing freckles and curing snake bites. Wow. I guess if I got a snake bite, I probably wouldn't eat pumpkins. I'd probably go to the hospital. But long ago, people didn't know that. Wow, crazy. Ready? Fact number 4. A long time ago, Native Americans used pumpkin seeds for both food and medicine. Wow, that's some pretty cool uses for pumpkin seeds, huh, kids? Neato. Ready? Here it comes. Fact number 5. Did you know that a pumpkin is actually a squash? It is. It's a member of a plant family which includes squash and cucumbers. Wow, I didn't know that. So next time you're eating your squash, You could say, guess what, Mom and Dad? Pumpkins are also part of the squash family. It's like they're cousins. Cool. Ready? Here it comes. Fact number 6. Morton, Illinois calls itself the pumpkin capital of the world. This is where the Libby Company is based. And the Libby Company makes pumpkin pie filling that comes in cans. That's why Morton, Illinois calls itself the pumpkin capital of the world. Neato. Ready? Here it is. The last fun fact about pumpkins. Fact number 7. Each pumpkin has almost 500 seeds inside. Whoa, that's crazy. Did you also know that pumpkins take between 90 and 120 days to grow to full size? Whoa, that is 3 to 4 months. That's a long time. But boy, pumpkin seeds, when they're roasted and you put a little salt on them, they are delicious. All right, kids, that has been 7 fun facts about pumpkins. And guess what? Halloween is right around the corner. So when you're dressing up and going out trick-or-treating, have fun and be safe. See you later, kids. Happy Halloween! See ya. Bye.